2 and 5 o'clock. So there's not much left of them now, but it is an indication that the moisture that had taken a little break over our area this weekend is now beginning to surge back, prompted by high pressure to the east, giving us some more southeast wind and a broad swirl of low pressure way to the south that's going to kind of be a pump to bring in the moisture across the eastern Gulf. Plus, we'll have an upper pattern that allows better development of showers and storms now that we're tacking on a little extra moisture. So here's how things play out in the forecast and focus. Pausing it around 7 a.m. in the morning when the first batch of rain is forecast to move across the coastal counties of the central and western Big Bend with a tendency to move mostly towards the east-northeast. So we can see occasional rain. It can be kind of steady for a little while and heavy with a couple thunderstorms mixed in. But it's going to be mostly a morning phase with a little break in the activity based on this projection during the afternoon. Then we get more cloudiness, a couple peaks of sun in the afternoon tomorrow, so we can't rule out sunshine entirely, but the moisture will definitely be in place to allow excessive cloudiness and occasional rain. So yes, theoretically you can find those breaks and get some work done, but while the rain is falling, it can be heavy. The more north you go, the lighter the amounts can be, but closer to the coast, especially if we have repetitive or lengthy rounds of rain, it can add up by quite a bit. So 1 to 3 inches certainly possible. And if we get those repeated rounds of rain or a stretch of heavy rain over a short amount of time, that can induce some local flooding. So it's not going to affect everybody the same way, but that risk is present for tomorrow. And even a couple of gusty thunderstorms. I wouldn't necessarily think that would be impossible, just not very common. Into Wednesday, we'll still have the moisture lingering. Our surface winds transition to more of a northeast flow, so that will help to at least keep some cloudiness on the backside of that low flowing into our area, and that can maybe keep the heat from building back up way too quickly. But with the extra moisture, expect lows right around 70 degrees, and then we'll rise just to the mid to upper 80s. I do think some warmer areas can be present in southwest Georgia, where the rain coverage will be not quite as broad and less frequent in occurrence. Next few days will stay pretty similar with temperatures. Morning lows near 70, highs upper to mid 80s primarily. Those upper 80s better within reach over the weekend when it turns drier.